Engines are failing faster than ever, and most drivers don't realize why. It's not bad driving, and it's not bad luck. The real problem is how modern engines are designed. To save fuel and reduce costs, manufacturers now use smaller turbocharged engines. These engines work harder, run hotter, and put extreme stress on internal parts. Metal components are replaced with plastic. Oil change intervals are pushed too far. Over time, heat slowly damages seals, gaskets, and bearings. That's why many modern engines fail before 100,000 miles, something that was very rare in the past. Take care of your engine, or it will cost you thousands of dollars.